In. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 1. Little white water. 2, 3, 4, 1. White water. 2, 3, 4, 1. Little lump. Forward. Go. Go here. Big lump. 3 little wave. 1, 2. Right over and the one after it. Clear it. On both side. And together. Now on. Oh, excellent, guys. 2. Back in time. 3, 4, 1, 2. Good water. Just nice length. That's it. Nice length. 2. Good rowing, guys. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Good. 3. A little wave here. Rowing over. On the legs. 2, 3. About 10 to turn. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5 to turn. 1. Lock him in. 2, 3. That turn. Turn. Couple more. 1 more. Take it away. 1, 2, 3. Hold. To the row. Row. Okay, get within our gates yet. 2, 3. 2. Little runner coming. Work it. Hold back. Hold back. Set. Row. Up. 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 There's a big one after it. Up. Up. Stay this little bit. Up. 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 Go to length. Slow and 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 length. Excellent, guys. Hold. Paws across. Legs.